In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Word document completely for free, so let's get started. First, open a web browser of your choice, and now all you need to do is come on Google, search for I love PDF, click on this first website, and now search for PDF to Word. Click on this option, and now all you need to do is select a file and hit open. Now you need to click on this button, convert to Word. After that, all you need to do is hit confirm or download, and it will start downloading automatically, so you can open on your docs and edit the way you want. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.